Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? We got something really kind of cool here. This is a Peerless Stages. It's basically a Peerless bus company, very similar to Greyhound, was out of Northern California. It's a cool little porcelain sign. I really don't have an idea of what the vintage is on it. We're just selling it as a cool porcelain sign. You take a look, front and back. So if you are into anything historic, Northern California, buses in general, or just want a cool porcelain sign, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.